Hello my darlings and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Dana and welcome to the House of Freeman. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the May Glossybox. This is what it looks like. You got two different variations on this month's box. You got a zebra edition and I think a cheetah edition. So if this sounds like something that interests you, let's dive into it. To start off with, I unbox these products every month on my channel. If you want to see previous months, then I will leave a link to the playlist in the eye up above. The Glossybox subscription costs £10 a month with £3.25 postage. You can do it in a month, 3 month, 6 month or 12-month subscription. The longer you do it, the cheaper it will get. And you get 5 products in the box every month. They can be beauty, they can be skincare, they can be hair care, or they can be cosmetics. So without any further ado, let's dive into this month's one. So if I shunt to the side, I will do all the products over here. Let's grab the book that was inside. This month's theme is Explore Your Wild Side. The description is as follows. Hey Glossies, this May we're embracing our wild side and 2 special design boxes, and you've just received our Zebra Wild Thing edit. Yes, I have. Featuring 5 full-size products, this box will introduce you to an array of sassy beauty must-haves that make you feel fierce and free. We're talking sultry eye makeup, animal print skincare, and beauty tools to unleash your creativity. Get ready to rule your urban jungle, Glossies, and show the world who's boss. Ellie Nash. That's cute. I like that. So let's dive in and see what we've got. If I just open the box for you, you get greeted by this lovely silver paper. Let's open this and open the paper up. And this is what you see when you open it. Let's move that so you can see the rest of the products. There you go. So let's pop it down and we will go item by item in the book and read the descriptions and the price. So firstly, we have the Steve Laurent Eyeshadow Palette. As you can see, mine is the zebra print edition and the description is as follows. Embrace your wild side and experiment with new sultry eye looks thanks to this gorgeous zebra print eyeshadow palette. Boasting 9 creamy and intense shades, the silky smooth pigments glide effortlessly onto your lid to deliver some serious colour. You can use the soft matte hues to create a subtle day look or blend the shimmery dark colours together to build an evening design. The recommended retail price for this is £31. That's insane. This product is cruelty free and it has a 12-month lifespan on it. When you take the product out, oh, that's a bit of a shame. It does look very professional, very studio ready, and this is giving me MAC 3x3 eyeshadow palette vibes. The colours are cute, but not really my story, but I'm sure it would be good for a nice travel palette. The only thing I'm sad about is that this packaging is not on the front of here. How much better would it have looked with this zebra print on there? So much better in my opinion. But for £31 in a £10 box, you're getting a really good deal there. Next, we have the DWTN Paris highlighter. It says, out in the urban jungle, you always want to look your best, so you need makeup that won't budge. Luckily, this creamy highlighter not only gives you a dewy complexion, but it stays put for hours. Dab it onto your cheekbones, brow bone, cupid's bow and chin for a targeted glow, or mix a few drops into your foundation for a lit from within radiance. This has a recommended retail price of £19.30. So again, a great deal for the product that you're getting. I do not like liquid highlighters. I just don't get on with them. I just like a powder highlighter. That's just who I am. So I think I'm going to put this product in the subscription giveaway. If you don't know anything about that, I will put details in the description box down below. Next, we have the OK SOS printed. Let me pick that up. As I was saying, we have the OK SOS printed sheet mask. This says, channel your inner spirit animal with these fun sheet masks. Filled with skin-loving ingredients like tea tree, witch hazel, willow bark, and charcoal powder, they work to calm, tone, and balance your skin for a clearer and healthier looking complexion. Apply yours onto a clean face for 10 to 20 minutes, then gently peel it off and massage the remaining serum into your skin. This has a recommended retail price of £4. This is really cute. It's a Korean brand and it is suitable for vegans, which is great, and it's not tested on animals. That is something I'm really excited about. I love a good face mask, especially when it's got stuff like witch hazel and charcoal in. That is right up my street. Next, we have the Mud Masky Hair Mask Scalp Treatment and Miracle Shampoo 3-in-1 formula. This says, tame your dry, damaged and frizzy mane with this newly launched 3-in-1 hair care treatment. Formulated with Moroccan argan oil, Moroccan mud and flowers, it first moisturizes the skin on your scalp, then repairs, hydrates and strengthens your tresses. Massage it onto your wet scalp and hair, leave it for 1 minute then rinse. You'll have beautiful healthy locks in no time. This has a recommended retail price of £21. Again, another great deal in this box. I don't use hair care treatments on my hair now that it's all natural. When it was bleached, yes, all the time. I would have to tone it. I would have to make sure that the hair was moisturized after it was stripped of color. I don't really find a need for these anymore, so I'm going to pop this product in the giveaway as well. And lastly, we have a product that I actually have seen before and I know what it is. This is the Dr. Pawpaw Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm with Natural Pawpaw. You can use this on your lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing, and it has a hint of tint in it. It says, don't let painful, dry, chapped lips stop you from living your wildest adventures. Created with a blend of pawpaw fruit, aloe vera and olive oil, this vegan and cruelty-free lip balm leaves your pout feeling soft, hydrated and nourished wherever you go. Plus, it boasts a vibrant orange hue that just screams a confident woman, or man, or any other individual. It's just a lip balm. When I see it at work, I think for £6.95, which is what its RRP is, that's a lot of money for a moisturizer, really. I've never tried this product out before because I think £7 for a lip balm is a bit much when you could get a Nivea little lipstick lip balm thing for around £1. Now that I've got it, I'll try it out. You never know, it may become a new favourite for me. So I've just put some of the Steve Laurent eyeshadows on and they do look lovely. I'm not going to lie. Very warm, very sultry, as the book said. And we'll just pop into the sneak peek for the next box. It says, in June, we're travelling around the globe to discover a world of beauty beyond our own borders. Your first sneak peek? A long-lasting, waterproof and smudge-proof dual-ended eyeliner brought to you by Iraqi-American beauty guru Huda Katan. I hope I said her name right. Worth £18. It boasts a liquid liner on one end and a creamy pencil on the other, allowing you to create endless eye looks. That sounds exciting. I've never bought any of the Huda products because it just hasn't interested me. If we're doing around the world, that has endless possibilities for the next box, so I'm very excited to pick up the next one when it comes. And when you want to see the unboxing, make sure you come back to this channel because I will have one up on the channel as soon as it arrives. So the complete value of the box is £82.25. For a £10 subscription box, that is incredible. Oh well, with the postage and packaging, £13.25, but wow, that's a lot of product. The two that I'm excited about in this box are the Dr. Pawpaw and the OK sheet mask. These just speak to me and they're products that I will use. I'm not so fussed about these two, but it depends on the person. And then the Steve Laurent eyeshadow palette, even though it's a cute product and probably very good for on the go, I'm still a little bit sad that it didn't have this design on the palette itself. Even if you didn't want to make that the main product for the website, you could still make it a Glossybox exclusive and then put that design on the front. It's not my brand, so I don't get to choose what happens to it. But overall, a great box this month. If you want to check out Glossybox, I will leave the links down below. The May box is sold out now, but you can put in a pre-order for the June box, or you can start a subscription, a little rolling subscription. All the links will be down below, so check them out there. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you would like to, please consider subscribing and becoming a member of the house. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up down below, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care and stay tuned.